Hello guys, welcome back. I have got something super exciting, the brand new Osmo Action 5 Pro action camera. So going forward I will be using this as my primary camera. Let's dive in and see what's inside the box. Before that, if you're someone new here, I am Sam. I will be posting lifestyle related videos. When I say lifestyle related, it's all about career, finance, health and fitness, sports and biking. So here we go. Okay. Since it is oh, the packaging is super premium, minimal and compact. Okay, that's all in the box. I'll keep this aside. Okay, this is the extension rod for all the selfie lovers. Whether it is useful for the selfie lovers or not, I am going to maximize the usage of it. Okay, that's here. It says accessories. So this is adventure combo. There is standard combo also. The adventure combo includes 3 batteries and a battery case. That is that here. I will show you. This is the battery case and these are the 3 batteries. Of course, the charge lasts for 4 hours. That's what the claim is. Some stickers. What else? Uh, okay, this is the QR code to download the app. I'll keep this aside down somewhere here. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay, finally, what we have, the star of the show, the beautiful looking mini beast or the monster. I will put in this to real world conditions and will be testing it going forward. As I said, this will be my primary camera. It has a navigatable display on both front and back. Okay, this doesn't have a battery now. I will fix the battery in and then we'll show you how it looks. Okay, and this is the case that comes with it. Looks solid. Okay, once I start using, we'll know how long it lasts. And this is another mount, I suppose. Yeah, it has different screws for locking on the helmet. And we have one more mini mount, another mini mount. Yeah, we already saw the battery. Okay, now I'll fix the battery and turn it on and show you. I have fixed the battery. Let's see if it gives an indication when we turn it on for the first time. Okay, it asks me to, okay, you could see. Okay, what is shown is it's asking me to download the application and connect it to the camera, which I will do later. Here we go, quick start guide. Now I'll skip it. Ooh, from back side, look at me. How does it look? So cool, so clean, neat. So going forward, I will be using this in all different conditions and see how it works and whether it's worth the money. Until the next one, stay tuned. Bye bye. Love you all.